Hello, BigChange customers. Fred Voccola here, CEO of Simpro Group. And I wanted to take a couple of minutes to share with you some very important announcements regarding our platform and regarding how we believe our platform will continue to evolve rapidly to change your business. Several months ago, we spoke about becoming an AI native company and turning the BigChange platform into the delivery vehicle that delivers the power of AI for your business. AI is arguably the most powerful innovation and the most powerful disruptive force the human race has ever seen. Our job is to provide the best AI-powered platform for field service trades such as yourselves so that your businesses can quadruple their productivity and quadruple their productive output. This process started with Lightning. Approximately 5 weeks ago, we released BigChange Lightning, and it has been an incredible success. Upwards of 1/3 of BigChange customers have upgraded to the Lightning version of our platform within just 5 weeks. The Lightning platform really has 3 key attributes to it that are allowing us to deliver AI for you. The first is we put a brain, an AI brain, inside of the BigChange platform. And that is our Cooper brain. This Cooper AI brain allows us to rapidly increase the amount of productive software, features, enhancements, fixes into your platform than we could have dreamed of doing in the pre-AI era. We spent about $25 million and about 5 months of time to build this infrastructure, which is the core part of Lightning. And that infrastructure does several things. As I mentioned, it allows us to greatly increase the speed and the volume of functional improvements, killer features, enhancements, and fixes to your platform. We demonstrated that by including 6 powerful new AI-driven features in the Lightning platform for you to consume immediately. These included automated Just Ask, being able to just ask the platform anything, automated note-taking, job preparation, also included two-way texting, two-way messaging, and other features that we released with Lightning. The third thing that we include with Lightning is we're including a price lock guarantee that ensures that BigChange cannot increase your price more than 3% above the standard inflation measure. That last part's very important. As we all know, AI is very expensive. Traditional software companies are raising their prices on average of 19% so far in 2026, and AI-powered SaaS companies are raising their prices 48% per year so far this year. So the price lock guarantee ensures your financial security and stability as you continue to enjoy the benefits of AI. Now that was Lightning, and we released it, and Lightning really gave us the infrastructure to go and do a whole bunch of new things. And as I indicated before, the first value feature of Lightning is the fact that it allows us to produce an incredibly larger amount of features in a shorter period of time. So we have now officially finished Lightning, and we are now entering a phase called the first season of rains. And what comes after Lightning is usually rains. And what we're seeing and what we will be delivering every week over the next 16 weeks is a tremendous amount of killer features, AI-enhanced capabilities, and fixes to the BigChange platform at a rate 4 times what we've delivered over the previous 2 years. Let me talk about that for a second. Because of the Cooper brain and because of the AI first nature that our Cooper brain allows our engineering group to go with, we are adding 6 new killer features during this first season of rains. So over the next 12 to 14 weeks, and not in 12 or 14 weeks, but over the next 12 or 14 weeks, some killer features will be released, including an expanded and fully functioning CRM. So the CRM that exists today in BigChange will be enhanced with AI so that that CRM can replace whatever CRM you are spending money on, so you no longer have to pay for additional CRM software. The second, we're releasing our AI-powered dynamic scheduling. The dynamic scheduling engine will automatically reroute and reschedule in real time based on worker, technician, and customer preferences, eliminating downtime and improving the overall efficiency of your organization. We are also releasing multi-day and multi-people jobs, video and multi-image capture, a completely revamped inventory management system, a significant number of additional asset attributes, and finally, we'll be having a killer feature to manage reactive work. Each of those killer features, which represents more killer features than we've released in the last 18 months, will be released every several weeks over the coming months. In addition to the 6 killer features, we are releasing 26 AI-infused significant enhancements. These are attributes of the product or features of the product that are currently in place that are being massively overhauled with AI and massively made better. Things like, in quotations, expanding the API set, protect high priority jobs, hire out assets of your own, the e-invoicing compliance, which is very relevant for customers in certain parts of the world. Just Ask will refresh data tiers. Just Ask will have roles and restrictions that increase. We're also looking at Just Ask's data scope expansions and about 20 others. This is a massive amount of functional delivery and a substantial improvement to capabilities that are there. And all of that is only possible by Cooper and only possible in Lightning. Every one of those new killer features and AI enhancements are available in our Lightning platform. It shows you the power that the new Lightning architecture includes for customers on Lightning. Now, the third piece that we're doing is what we call a full RAIN index. The most popular fixes that have been requested, we will be delivering incrementally over the course of the first season of rains, which goes from now to the middle to end of September. We are very, very excited about this. We believe the season of rains is going to rain so much functionality for your FSM, so much AI-powered and AI-enhanced capabilities and so many fixes, you're going to need an ark to float from all the capabilities you're going to have. And this rainy season, the first rainy season, will conclude with thunder. You have lightning, you have rain, and then you have thunder. We will be announcing the specifics of thunder at our symposium conferences, which will be held in Miami, Florida for the United States, be held in London for the United Kingdom, held in Sydney, Australia for our Australia, New Zealand customers. And what we are releasing in thunder is an incredible capability focused around the concept and the product of Just Do. Just Do is the mirror image of Just Ask. So Just Ask provides information for Lightning customers. Just Ask allows you to ask our platform anything, and it will provide you all of the information. Just Do will then allow you to take direct action and have Cooper do the actions that you're looking for by leveraging every feature in the platform and every AI capability in the platform and the external AI capabilities that we sell separately. Every single function, every fix, everything that I've mentioned is free. It's all free within Lightning. So we have a lot of stuff going on. We have a lot of work to get to. But I want to encourage all of you, look at and adopt Lightning. The capabilities that we can provide to you when you are on Lightning are astronomical. We can bring the power of AI to you in the terms of functionality you can use, as well as the power of AI for us to deliver more incremental features faster. So thank you all for listening. Hopefully, I will see all of you at our symposium events in the coming months. In the meantime, take a look out for Lightning and understand what's happening in the season of rains, because this first season of rains is just the beginning. Looking forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.